family the answer's out.
This mysterious new Honor phone is the Play 60. After hearing this news, did you feel a bit deceived? Don't worry, because it's real. In terms of configuration, it features a 12+56 color scheme called Yulong Snow. To be completely honest, this particular color scheme has become a standard option in Honor's lineup, and numerous devices utilize this color. As for the Play series, without even looking, you can easily guess it's Honor's entry-level series. If you're considering it as a backup phone or a phone for seniors, I personally highly recommend it. The design is truly impressive. The phone is quite like the earlier Play 9T Pro. Holding it in my hand, the feel is very solid, and you can really see it. On the left, there's a customizable button, which is really trendy now, especially since my X8 Ultra also has it. Next, let's take a look at the other accessories. First, there's the classic clear case from Honor, which I personally think is fine. After all, with such a nice design, you definitely need a clear case, otherwise it would cover too much. On the side, there's a charger, and from its small size, you can tell it probably doesn't have many watts. Let's move on and explore its design experience together. I must say, Honor really leads in design aesthetics for budget phones. As for the body, being part of the Play series, the phone's bezels are inevitably a bit wide, especially the chin, which is somewhat noticeable. In terms of configuration, it uses the Dimensity 6300 processor, has a 6000 mAh battery, and a resolution of 720p. The system uses Honor's Magic 29.0 version 121 features. I'll make a video to share with everyone when I have time. We can observe a button located on the side of the device, which bears a resemblance to Huawei Enjoy's X button. Upon pressing it, a multifunctional tool window emerges. I plan to explore it more comprehensively when I have the opportunity. What astonishes me is that the card slot is positioned on the top of the device. The primary reason for implementing this design is to accommodate a 3.5mm headphone jack at the bottom, which is indeed quite user-friendly. Ultimately, what makes this truly exciting is its price point. If it is highly cost-effective, purchasing it as a backup phone would be extremely reliable. Ultimately, upon first glance, it genuinely appears to be quite high-end. If the price is appropriate, it is still worth purchasing. Alright, this video comes to an end. If you liked it, please follow me, like, comment, and share. Bye bye. Let's cook with ease and enjoy the fun, brothers. Give me a follow.